Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be doing this in a fast motion, so just go along. Those are the two colors I'll be using to get the color that I'm going to be getting today, which is like a bright red. So what I'm going to first start off by doing is mixing both of the colors inside of the water. You want a container of warm to hot water, and this is my first time doing this, so my first time doing it, I would say the less water, the more the color will show. The more water, the more faded the color will be. And I noticed that in my hair, so like the color still came out good, but that's just something I noticed. So then you want to mix it with like a spoon or something, because when you put it in there it clumps up, so you just want to like make sure it's like all mixed in so that it could dye all your hair. So once that's done, you can test it on a napkin, and that's the color you should get on your hair. Sorry y'all, I'm kind of sick. Okay, so I started off with my closure, and I was doing it like that at first. One, because I didn't have on gloves, and two, I didn't know if it would like stain my lace, and that's what I was trying to be careful of. But the closure died really quick. The bundles took a little longer. So I put my gloves on. Actually, working with gloves makes it easier. You can just put your hands all in and then just dip it in there. So after I did that a couple of times, you want to like just let it sit in there, because that's what I did. I just let it sit just so it could soak up as much water and color as it could. Also, something that I didn't do because I was just so in a rush to get this video done and get this hair done. Make sure when you do this, you unwrap your bundles as much as possible. You don't want them to tangle up while they're in the water. Mine did that, but I was able to like still like get it back to how it needs to be. Like it wasn't nappy or anything. But I'm gonna just let y'all know that now. While you're doing the bundles, you want to also make sure it's unraveled, because you want to be able to make sure the color is getting on every part of your hair. And for some reason, my hair was so packaged. It had so many things that I had to cut off. I even cut stuff off before I started the video. If you was wondering, I have a 20-inch closure, a 22-inch, a 24, and a 26-inch in the bundles. And I'll put down below where I got the hair from. I got the dye off Amazon, but I'll link the hair down in the description box below.
Can it go on, girl?
I'm doing a video.
Oh.
And now once all the bundles are in, you just want to like massage it, make sure it gets over everything. I even let mine sit in there for like an extra 20 minutes just to let all the color get into the bundles as much as possible. And this is the color that I got on the frontal, and then this is how the hair came out afterwards.